All stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Roman back again with another, POV drive. But yeah, man. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. You guys already know, man. Like, it's early in the morning. It's about to be, what, 8? Yeah, it's about to be 8, bro. Decided to wake up early in the morning, go for, an early morning drive today. As you guys can't pee, bro, but let me know if the setup. I did finally get what you might call this thing, bro? My head mount, bro. So yeah, POV videos are about to be fire stable. You get what I'm saying? Shot, but sir, still sounds amazing, bro. One thing that I guess gonna be a problem is that, as you can see, bro, I ain't got no money for petrol, bro, so I won't be pushing it as much. I won't be doing like any crazy pulls or anything like that, chat, but I think I am. I don't know, we'll see. Yes, sir. Sure. Chat, I just live. What are you saying? I just love how every time I move my head, y'all are moving with me, bro. You feel me? But yeah, going to the mechanic actually, because I need to get those panels, fixed up. And one of my lights not working, bro. Yeah, one of my lights is not working, so we have to get that fixed too. You feel me? Because, bro, I cannot see shit at night. I think I did post the night POV. Yeah, I actually did. I posted a nighttime POV on the channel with this car, and I couldn't see shit, bro. Like, that ass. Bro, what the hell? Is that a church? Bro, people wake up so early to go to church. What the hell? It's crazy. I don't even know when was the last time I went to church, bro. As y'all can tell, it's a Sunday. Probably gonna upload this video today. I think we're just gonna have a hip session, bro, to be honest with y'all. And some pools here and there. But yeah, the hip session most important. You feel me, chat. One thing I need to invest in right now is mics too, bro. I need to get those wireless mics, put one by the exhaust, and then obviously one by myself. Or when we're having one of those days where we just want to listen to the cars and all that, we just put it there in front of the engine, bro, so y'all can hear the yes sir. I think we're pushing like what, 400 HP? No, like 400 HP actually, bro. Yeah. This car pulls insane, bro. Hella insane, bro. And tell me why I got a puncher like a few days ago, man. Like, this is the third puncher that I've gotten with this car, bro. Legit all 3 tires, bro. Except for the one this side, I think, bro. It's a problem. And I don't think we're pushing like the whole 400 horsepower, bro. Cause for some reason, this one time I had to take the car to the mechanic. When it came back, like, it had no pops and bangs, bro. Still has that overrun thingy. Yes, sir. We're pushing 300 horsepower right there. God damn, bro. I feel like it's way too loud. I want you guys to hear the overrun brab, bro. It's not as loud though. But I just hope that the window is not. I think I should close this window because yeah, that's where most of the wind comes from. And then the other one. Still sounds amazing, bro. I ain't got no petrol, so I gotta be careful, bro. Gots to be careful. Yes, sir. Sounds so nice, boy. Yes, sir. I don't, bro. Yo, chat. I saw if this thing is not recording, bro. I'm a crash out, bro. For real, like dead ass, bro. I'm a crash out. Be like that. If it's not recording, bro, damn. Oh yeah, bro. Chat. I'm gonna insert some clips, bro. I saw a freaking Lambo, bro, yesterday, man. The I think it was a Rivalto and some Ferrari. I don't know them. I'm not a Ferrari person, so I don't know the name of it. But I think it is like Pista in its name, bro. Those cars were insane, bro. I think I might cook up a Sentin. Yeah, I think I might cook up a Sentin thingy, bro. Sentin POV drive. Cause bro, those roads are actually nice to drive on too, bro. It's just that there's a lot of cars, bro. But still, though. Weekend. I think I'm just gonna pull up Sanson Way. And then, yeah. We'll see what we get up to, bro. Now, I was supposed to go to a come meet yesterday, but yeah. It don't feel like it, bro. Plus, it was a bit late, so I was like, nah. Let me chill, bro. What the? That guy. Bro wants ref, dog. For real, he wants ref so he can get the money, the coins. That's the only way. The only way to do it, bro. In chat, let me know, bro. Like, bro, I've been yapping. Let me know. Do you only enjoy the silent videos or the yapping videos, bro? Because me. Alright, let's go. Sports up and truck move. There we go. I bet people look at me weird, bro. I don't even want to look at the driver next to me. Cause yeah, I look goofy as hell, bro. Dead ass. But damn, open up, bro. Bro, what the fuck? Bro, it's closed. Oh, there you go. Yeah, see, chat, it's kept at like 300 horsepower, bro. It's supposed to be pulling more than that. Like, most definitely supposed to be pulling more than 300 horsepower. Because, yeah, it is stage 2. As you guys already know. But I think it might have to... I don't know, bro. Ooh-wee. Oh, nah, bro. These are amazing, bro. Ooh-wee. Yes, sir. Anyways, bro, I was surprisingly, one thing about this car, right, chat, like, it doesn't chow as much petrol as I thought it would, bro. I won't lie. Like, if you drive properly, obviously, like, drive properly and all that, yeah, it is gonna save, bro. Like, it's gonna save you tons, bro. When I say a lot, bro, it's gonna save you a lot of money when it comes to petrol, bro. But yeah, if you drive crazy like me, then yeah, just forget about it, bro. For real, forget about it, because it's the worst, bro. Damn. Yo, is that Taki, bro? Oh shoot, that's Taki, bro. Go, bro. Yeah, all my South Africans will know. Hey, there's a guy behind you. All my South Africans will know about that one, bro. Bro, look at how far those cars are, bro. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but damn, we left it, bro. Another one bites the dust. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Ba, ba, ba. Bro, taxi driver, wait. Right, there you go. Them taxi drivers don't know how to be driving too, bro. They drive like headless chickens, bro. It's like something's wrong with them, bro. Dead ass. Right on, bro. Ah, shoot, we're gonna have to wait for this truck, bro. Golly. God damn it. Good. Alright, let's go, bro. See, there's another church, bro. Chat. What the hell are these people that be having churches in the middle of nowhere, bro? What's going on? Alright, bro. No point over 18 there, bro. Like, they be having the churches in the middle of nowhere, bro, and they be dressing. Try me, bro. Don't try me, bro. Don't try me, bro. Bro, I'm racing a freaking, what is it? A Chevy, bro. A utility. What the hell? Something's wrong with me, bro. What the hell are the lanes? Right, there you go. Ain't no way, bro. Something's wrong with me, bro. Oh, chat, imagine a Cape Town POV drive, bro. Ooh, that would slap, bro. Hey, this guy. And he doesn't stop too. The heck? What the heck? Wait, what's up? Wait, what the? Am I lost? Chat, I'm lost, bro. No, it's this one. Oh no. I'm trippy, bro. Big trippy. Big thing. Ow. Ooh, I chat. This is gonna be it for the POV drive. Yeah, man. Hope it. What the fuck is that, bro? God damn, that's a huge puddle. Yeah, chat, is gonna be the end of the POV drive, man. I hope you guys did enjoy this POV drive. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff. You feel me? And you'll get like 5 years of luck, bro. I'm telling you. I am telling y'all, bro. But yeah, man, chat. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and yeah, I'll catch y'all on the next POV drive, bro. Yeah.